Malo jopuonjre 1,600 mawuok Uriri oyangi nosendikore e chenro ma yudo sir mar somo mamalo kokalo University Funding Model e chenro mar tiegruok motim kawuono. E chenro no manota kod KUPS kod HELB kendo nosir kod jaod bura ma Uriri Mak Nyamita. Jopuonjre go kod jonyuol ne otak e kaka chenro go eko ne timore kendo konygi ndikore makare. Chenro mandiko jopuonjre e gwenge ma Uriri ne nigi ageta mandiko jopuonjre 2,000 ka igeno ni idhi chop kwan makamano kendo nyalo kalo nyaka jopuonjre 3,000.
Been having students who don't apply for placement for one reason or another, and we know that has been going on over the years. Every year we report that about 85% of the students apply. So what happens to the other 15%? So we've been mopping them up from the year 2022. To date, we have students who have not applied, but we now have a new platform for them.
Encourage the most needy students. Please do apply and provide all the necessary documents so that you can receive the highest level of scholarship. Scholarship is a government investment into the student and to ensure that they have a fast start in life.
So we have brought them here together with their teams to train our students not to make mistakes in how they're then applying for their funding.